times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go let it live?
How many times I go let it live?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love they true. When love they true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
you must love man.
70 times 70. Baba cases. Again. People go wrong, people go do you bad, but still love them. Cause the good book talk 70 times 7. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's to go. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You don't love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true. Forgive, forgive, forgive.
Love your neighbor, let's say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those with no retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know feel sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just change your whole spirit and go. Love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you, love you.
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go let it live?
How many times I go let it live?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love they true. When love they true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
you must love man.
70 times 70. Baba cases. Baba K again. People go wrong, people go do you bad, but still love them. Cause the good book talk 70 times 7. Forgive, forgive. People don't always do you wrong. Talk your name, make you feel small. But if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know. But peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You know love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true, forgive, forgive, forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those with no retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know if you sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just change your whole spirit and go. Oh, love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you, love you.
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive you?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true. When love is true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Can you hear me now? Okay. Yeah, I didn't realize you guys couldn't hear me. It should be good now. It's good, Dacombs, FBI. Good morning, Joe. All right. On gold, I'm waiting for price to break and close below 52.02. Waiting to see a minor BOS to the downside here. Mm, mm, mm. Uh, so NY opens in 12 minutes. Mm. See how we react here. If we are going to close below this 15-minute minor range low here on NQ. Uh, yeah. Mm-mm. What we got here? Mm-mm. Um, mm. All right, we got NY opening in 8 minutes. Much better here. All right. You couldn't hear on YouTube. I mean, YouTube is fine now, but yeah, earlier my mic was on mute. I didn't realize it. So we got 6 more minutes left here. NQ, I'm gonna need this high taken out. Right, this high at 25,177. For me to consider a bullish continuation here. It's good, YouTube. You guys are quiet today. We can get a pullback to level here. I'm going to look to sell gold. So we just need something. Is execute this third leg here. NY is about to open in 30 seconds. All right. Are we gonna get a pullback from gold, or is this just gonna keep tanking? All right, thank you. You are giving me exactly what I want. Let's see, 30 minutes. 1. So 10 minutes. Mm-mm. All right. Mm-mm. Just need a pullback on gold. I did consider selling from this supply that we have here to the left when it started streaming, but I needed more confirmation. I needed at least a minor BOS, yeah, especially since we have this minor break of structure here. So I needed to see at least 5202 taken out first. So now we have that. So now I'm just gonna wait for a pullback. I think if we did take it off the rip, we were looking at, yeah, man, we would have had 1-to-1 now. I believe we would have used like 100 tick surplus. Waiting for this candle here to close, then I just need this to come back to this 5-minute supply. I mean, I say supply demand, just NQ to come back to this 5-minute demand, and I'll be buying NQ. NQ is breaking highs. Come on, come on, come on. You need to keep going up until you get to 5-minute supply here. Come on, NQ. Come on, Goldie. Well, so where gold is so volatile now? Oh, yeah, I think she got volatile. Hold on, let me see. No, I don't think so. Because if we took this, pretty much this first entry on gold, we're looking at 100 ticks. That's not bad. Oh, you took that first entry? Okay. Okay, nice. Mm. Ah, damn it, gold. Come on, man. You're really not gonna pull back, man. All right, where's NQ? Need NQ to pull back to this 5-minute demand. That's pretty much going to be our buy zone as of right now. Take a look at this on a 4-hour. Oh. Oh, come on. I don't think gold is going to pull back, guys. So I will be expecting to see buys around this 1 hour minor range low. However, I'm not expecting that, and that's because in this range between 52.29 and 51.73, 51.73 did not break the previous continuation high, which is pretty much a minor high, right? That created this low. And now we went all the way back up there, rejected it. So now we're coming all the way down. So even if we reject here, I think this is going to continue down. It's probably just going to create a minor high, and then price continues down to break this low. I do not see us going back up from this 5173.3.5. I mean, I think it's going to break and we are going to continue down. So if I'm going to buy this, I will prefer 5140, around 5140. Around 5140 because the low there actually broke a high, so I'll prefer that zone here around 5144 to 5128. Okay, here's another supply I will be willing to sell from. This right here. We could have had 2 to 1 now, for sure. Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. It's 2 to 1. It means it's not 1 to 2. Oh wait, is it? Oh, London, you got wrecked down in London? Uh, what this here? Change this to the 15 minute. And then 5. Willing to sell from here. See what you do. Take the buyers in, tap that supply, and let's sell this. All right, Edwin, you're welcome. All right, NQ's not pulling back yet. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys. I'll be right back. Be right back. Ish. NQ is not looking back either. Mm, well, give me that higher supply. Mm, give me this one here. Atlas. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Um, I'm in queue. Mm. Mm. Uh, mm. Damn. NQ, NQ. Mm. Are you still interested in sales? Yes, I am. Until we break the high. Huh. 1 hour just flipped on gold. Yeah, I bet it flipped. That's aggressive selling to the downside, and now we got aggressive buying to the upside. Man. I don't want us to close below, close above that 5 though. Mm, mm. We're gonna wait to see how this current candle closes here. Mhm. Man. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Still gonna be looking for sales until we break and close above 52.16. Waiting for candle to close. Let's go ahead and candle closes in 2 minutes. All right. As of right now, I have a sell stop at 5204.7. The going to get activated. Looking for sales until we break 52.16. Hey, uh, wow. Thank you. Mm-mm-mm. Guess everything is going up, huh? All right, man. All right. This does not want to sell right now. I'm gonna look to buy from this demand at this point. There is no point looking for sales. This does not want to fall. Uh, NQ is tired now. Acting to where are we? Minute? 30-minute supply. I would need the 15 to close above here. See what happens at this 15 minutes. Because that's the swing high of the range. Right. And it's not closing. Candle closes in 10 minutes. I sell from here. Candle. heavy sell stop here, guys. 52.13. See what happens here. Okay. Uh, one, 20. Come on, man. Uh, so it's way lower. Okay. In for 50% to be oh no. You need 252.01. Trade aggressive buying. Uh, 50% of this trade is at 5207. Uh, Thank you, Dakuns. Well, that is 50%, guys. Those of you that want 50% at least, that just hit. So you can move your stops if you want to. You can move your stops if you want to. There's 60 ticks right there. And we'll see if we can get a 1-to-1 here. It's going to be 120 ticks. We should be able to we'll see. Gonna move this one right here and leave this. Oh, take it in this one. If you go your 60 ticks from this trade, YouTube, let's see some W's. So this was the, so this, whatever happens from here, moving forward, it's all on you. Like I said, you can choose to go break even here, take partials, because we hit the break even target, or you can still let it run for at least 1 to 1, or you close out of the position entirely. So, however you want to manage this trade, that's your decision to make. Um, All right, guys, that is 1-to-1 smashed. If you had this for 1-to-1, let's see some W's. Spam W's in the chat. I am going to move this to delete this here. We got the 213. Plus 2 plus 2 ticks. Good job, everybody. Good job. Congrats. Can we get 2-to-1? Thank you, Dakums. You guys think we can get 2-to-1 here? What do you guys think? 2-to-1 incoming or no? We got 2-to-1 incoming. So, see this demand that we have here, this 5-minute demand. There is a chance it's going to hold. There's a chance that demand is going to hold, but I'm not expecting it to. Just know that demand might hold. Thank you, Alex. Just saw your comment. If we can break and close below 5192.90, it's over for the buyers that are trying to buy from this 5-minute demand. I do think we should continue down here, but we'll see what happens. I do think we should continue down. We should continue down, 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 down. Come on down. Remember, we need this to close below that earlier 51.92. We need it to close, not grab it. If it closes below, it should be over for the buyers trying to buy now. Don't you flip? Okay, it's flipping. Last thing broken was a high. Yeah, it might go up, but the last thing broken was a minor high. It could go up though. Last major break was a high. Now, so in this range, this is the major high here. We've not taken it out yet. In this range, so damn, I don't have that tool. Damn, where is it? Where is it? Oh, okay. So let's use this right here. All right, so the last break was here, right? That's a high. You got this here. Let me. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna clone this. So you got this high, and of course you got our swing high in this range. So this is the major high. Every other high here is just a minor high if we are looking at it from the swing high. But if we are going from one range to the next, right, one range to the next, then the first range is between 52.10 and 51.73. So that's the major high of this range. So because we got a range in between a range here, so we got that BOS right here. But looking at the overall picture, we actually failed to close above two highs. Even this one here, this is not a good closure here, even on the 5, not to talk of the 15, 30, and all other time frames. So not a good closure here. That's why I decided to actually sell from there instead of buying. Now, where we reacted to now, this 5 minute demand, it could hold because coming out of the first range, we had a break of structure. So that could actually hold. But for someone like me, if I did not take this sell, right, if I did not take this sell, I'm gonna wait for this bullish candle to close. Now mark up this 5 minute demand. If price comes back and retest this 5 minute demand again, then I will buy. That's when I will buy. Right? That's when I will buy. Yeah, of course it can go bullish from here. But the minor high, we actually grabbed it. Thank you, Rose. So now, if any one of you is watching, I'm not trying to tell you what to do, but if you're looking for buys and you're not in yet, just wait and see if price is going to come back to this 5 minute demand here for to get a possible retest from there. Thank you for the sub. Might take the high then drop. Might. Um, Fortunately, if this thing continues to push up here, and of course, if it reacts to this 5 minute supply here, of course, we'll be taking out. But if it reacts to this 5 minute supply, we could continue to the downside. But if it breaks and close above this high here, then there's no need to wait for sales anymore. It's going to continue higher. But you do have a minor break of structure here, which is also a major high of a previous range. If we're going from one range to the next, you got a major VOS there. But if we are looking at the overall picture, like I said earlier, all these highs to the left are minor highs, and this is your swing high here at 5229.80. We're probably going to get stopped out here. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, got what I needed. And I would love 2 to 1, but I'll take the 1 to 1. Hmm. Maybe we can survive this. Come on, calm down, calm down, calm down. Yep, if it sells again from here, it should definitely give 2 to 1. Plus 2 ticks. Now give me +1. Thank you for the follow. So we are starting to drop again. Don't get too excited just yet. You're still holding for 2 to 1 here. Yes. This right here could hold and continue higher. We could hold this 5 minute demand, continue higher. Buyer said no. Ooh. All right. Yeah, they want higher. Yep, that's it. At this point, yep, they want higher. Yeah, they should continue higher at this point. Since it didn't continue down, it should continue higher. Have to be careful with this 5 minute here though. But this 5 minute here did not break any low. So it's not really strong. So this should continue higher. All right, guys. What time frame it is? This is the 5 minute time frame. Take entries on the 5 minute. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. 1-to-1 trade here for today. So see you guys tomorrow. Zoom. I'll see you guys tonight for AJ session. God bless everyone. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. I'm out.